So here's how to activate RBC Debit Card. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the variants so you not skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to call the phone number provided on the sticker attached to your card. This is often an automated system that will guide you through the activation process. If you have online banking set up, log into your RBC account and look for the option Activate Your Debit Cards. This might be under the Account Services or Card Services section. You might be able to activate your card at an RBC ATM. Inside the card, follow the on-screen instructions and select the activation option. If you prefer in-person assistance, you can visit an RBC branch and ask staff member to help you to activate your card. So that's how to activate your RBC debit card.